AgileSHIFT is comprised of 5 principles and 5 practices that apply to the entire organization. The AgileSHIFT Principles are a set of fundamental rules that guide the organization in all circumstances. They reflect the fundamental attitudes and behaviours that underpin successful transformation. All of the principles are vital. If any of them are overlooked, then the entire organizational success may be at risk. The practices are a set of approaches that can be applied to bring real benefits to any team within an agile way of working. The practices should be applied by people throughout any work being done in an AgileSHIFT environment. They should be used in a flexible manner that is appropriate for the organization and the work, and in accordance with the principles. The principles and practices are supported by an iterative delivery method comprising of roles, competencies, workflow, tools, and techniques.